GlitzGlamFam, it's here. Here's the IPSY GLAM BAG X. Y'all know the post office, they had to get cute with me. It's a long story. If you guys know me, you know I have issues with my post office. Well, I don't want to say that, but I mean, let's be real, I do. So yeah. So I just filmed a video just showing you guys my new liners. These are lash liners, and yeah, you guys want to check that out. Now let's get into this. That's for Hot Kitty Beauty. Okay. So, if you guys don't know who I am Chanelle. I am the CEO of GlitzGlamFam and Hot Kitty Beauty. I'm also a makeup addict, and this channel started as just me playing with makeup and everything. So, yeah, I'm a makeup lover. So yeah, so I ordered the Glam Bag X when it first came out. I heard that there was Huda Beauty in there, and we all know I stan Huda. So yeah, so let's get into it. Wait, oh my god. Okay, all right, let's get into what's in the box this month. So this is the very first Glam Bag X, and yeah, let's see what's in here. Okay, so first we have Item Beauty. This is one hit. I meant to take screenshots of everything that was available as an item that you could choose. I think this was one of them. You guys know I love a facial spray, so let's spray this. So I just had to get this, and this is it's called One Hit. So Prime, Set, Refresh, Dewy Finish Face Mist. Oh, that's good because I have dry skin. So let's, this is how it looks. Very pretty. Open it up, but it's all about the mister, and this looks, it's not going to be a super fine. It looks like it, but let's see. Hold on. I stand corrected. It's very fine. It's a very fine mister. I don't care for the smell. It's like, I don't know. I don't really like the smell, but there we go. So that's the first item. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, this is what I've been waiting for. This is the Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Okay, guys, you have to get into my Skincare Sunday series. All right. So every Sunday I do skincare now. So for Skincare Sunday. So I was wanting this. It's a facial massager. It's so heavy. And you just use it to rub your products in. So like a serum or, you know, whatever, you use it to rub it in. So, okay. Can't wait to use this on Skincare Sunday. Yeah, so let me put this in my skincare box, which is growing. You guys know I used to hate skincare, but I'm like, now I'm like, I want to start using it because I feel like I'm looking old now. and yeah, so, oh wow, I should have waited to use this. Okay, so this is, because I was not feeling this lip. This is a Smashbox. First I had the McGrath on. I didn't like that. Then I put this on, don't like it. I mean, it's not that I don't like it. It's just not what I was going for. And yeah, I forgot there was a lipstick in here. So this is from About Face, and it has a little peel here thing. So that's cool. And I'm keeping this whole box, so we're gonna swatch this. Well, okay, it doesn't work. I came prepared. I have a knife. I have a knife. Guys, you know, okay, so like when I film on the weekends, I will deprive myself of food just to make sure. This looks just like this. Oh my god. I will deprive myself of food to make sure I finish filming. Now I'm like actually hangry. I'm like, like I stopped filming in the middle of the video I was filming prior to this. Oh god, this is separating already. So this is supposed to be, come on y'all. This is separating. Look at this. This is supposed to be new. These are brand new. This looks old. The way it is in the bottle. I can't stand when these brands come out. They have all this damn money and then their stuff's not even together. Like, come on. All right, I shook it up. Let's see. Let's give it a chance. And this is matte. I'm not a fan of this shade. It looks just like this, only darker, but I'll try it. I'll use it and see how I like it. That might have just been it having a watery consistency. But yeah, this is in the shade Matte Painted Lip Color. Okay, so I guess they want it to be the consistency of paint. I don't know what shade this is. Oh, this is called So Long Summer. So Long Summer, so I guess this is a fall shade. So Long Summer. I mean, it's growing on me, but I just would never pick this color up to buy it. So yeah. Yeah, I'm more of a pinky kind of girl, but I'll use this. Okay, next we have Patrick Takei, or Patrick Ta, I think you say it. This is in She's Seductive. This is the blush, the infamous blush that they were teasing. So let's check it out. Check out the shade. It looks, okay, that's very pretty. Let's check out another shade I would have never picked, but hey, I could be wrong. Okay, let's swatch it. You can't even see it on me. Wow. And they have my beauty quiz. I've had IPSY for years, so they have my beauty quiz. They know. This is very much my skin tone. Like, is it doing anything? Is it doing anything? I mean, I guess if you want to look very natural, because I already had like 4 different blushes on. And the crazy thing is, I stan blushes. Like, I love a blush. I don't know. Do we think it's doing anything for me? See, I already had a blush on, so it's hard to tell. Okay. Come on, Glam Bag X. And I was so excited to get this too. Okay, this was another item you could choose. But the way they had the choices was really stupid. Like, there was one category where I wanted everything, and then the other 2 categories I didn't want anything. So I ended up picking a hand cream. This is actually full size, so let's check it out. I actually love lotions and stuff. So this is called And Soul. It's oolong tea, bamboo, reed, orchid, air, and white musk. So, you know, and I live for like perfumey stuff. How do you open this? Does anyone see how to open this? I don't know. Oh, rich lotion. Okay. I feel like it should be up here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, there. Guys, I'm losing it. I need to eat something. Okay. Okay. Ooh. All right. We're redeeming ourselves. Shea Butter Hand Cream. I have to smell this, because I met Tokyo Beauty at the Indie Beauty Expo, and their stuff smells good. Okay. In LA. Nice and granny. Okay, I love it. Okay. Well, I can't rub it on this hand, but let me see. How does it feel? Let me rub it on this hand. Nice and granny. I love lotion. Okay, I like this. And I mean, look at the bottle. Yes. Okay, cool. Next thing we got was Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. Pat, we could have got a gloss, but let's look at the mascara and see how we like it. I have so many mascaras. I'm messing around with beauty boxes. So okay, so this is pretty. It's a mascara. I don't know, I have lashes on, so I'm not gonna open it. Okay. Next thing is Soul Velvet Lipstick. Oh, I think I ordered this with my points, so I thought I had too many items in here. So I had to use my points because they were expiring, and of course there was nothing good. So I ended up ordering this thing just to have it because my points were going to expire. So let me see. Maybe I'll be, I was going to say maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised, but no, I don't like this. I mean, this feels nice. So I'm going to save this for a giveaway. Maybe someone will love this. Boy, I'm so grumpy these past couple of days. I also picked this. This is a beauty blender, the Queen. So I love this. Gonna save this container. Yeah, we could always use another beauty blender. And the grand finale. You guys know I stan. You guys know I stan Huda. And I don't have this actual palette, so I was like, I didn't know what they were giving when I first signed up for it, because the second it came out, I just, you know, signed up for it because I'm like, okay, I hope it's not as bad as the IPSY Ultimate. That was horrible. If you guys want to see, check out my videos. It was not good. But yeah, so this is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remixed, her super famous palette. This is the remixed version. This is on there. So cute. Here is the palette. You can see, I don't know, are these creams, but I'm actually gonna do swatches because I love Huda palettes. I have like 7 of them. And yeah, I mean, and my first Huda palette my sister got me was Desert Dusk. And I was like, why'd you get that expensive palette? I would never. Oh, these are so creamy. That's why I'm like, I think they're creams. So this is 24 karat, 24K. This is why I stan Huda. Pink Diamond. I actually have her lilac palette on here. Pink Diamond. Come on, Pink Diamond. Okay, let's put that in the inner corner. Okay, this cheered me up. I totally forgot to do my inner corner. Come on, Pink Diamond. Wow, I'm literally the second shade in and I'm already using it. Okay, this cheered me up. Okay, put a little here, a little here. There we go. Okay, okay. Well, I knew I was gonna like it because I love all her palettes. Rose Gold. That's pretty for summertime. Trust Fund. Huh, I wish. Pretty for summertime. I'm not so much into dark shimmers. I'm more into, oh, this is a straight cream. This is just straight cream. This red color. When I say cream, I mean it feels like a cream shadow. It doesn't feel like a it doesn't feel like, this is Dubai. See, I'm not into dark shimmers, but that's pretty. I'm not into dark shimmers. That's pretty. Okay, so this is Blessed. This feels like a cream also. Okay, so these are creams. So, and then Moon Dust. That looks very light. That's extremely light. And then Bubbly. And I just really, really, really want to swatch the Hot Pink Doll Face. Ooh. Wow. That's pretty. I already know which colors I'm going to go for. This one and this one. I have to swatch that gray suede. I just have to. Oh, gosh. I was looking for my, I have a cloth here. Did I throw it away? No, I threw it away. Okay. Guys, leave me a comment. What do you think about this box? I wish I got a little bit pinkier of a blush shade and a pinkier lipstick, but I mean, overall, you know, it's a amazing box. Really, really amazing. IPSY, you redeemed yourself, because that IPSY Ultimate was not, like, it was like they were just using whatever they had left over instead of curating an actual new box. Like, this is a curated new box, and you get to pick 3 items. So that's what I'm talking about. Even if, like, because I didn't like each item in each category, there was one category where I liked all the items, and I'm like, okay, now to me, if the only thing I would change about this is just give you a list of items, not make them in categories. And I think they're doing it for the value or whatever, but I think you should just give people the list of 20 items or whatever, or 10 items, and let them pick those 3 instead of breaking it up into categories. Because I'm like, the last 2 categories, I didn't like anything in it. So I ended up getting, I think, the spray, I think the one with the hand lotion. And I was like, just put them all so you can just pick whatever you want out of the other categories. So let me try this blush again. This is a struggle blush. The packaging is beautiful, but the shade's a little, like, it's just very close to my skin tone. So I'm like, this is like barely there, you know, on me. And I'm like, really, you guys can see I'm really putting it on. And I have like 4 blushes underneath it. So like, you need to be giving me color. But some people like a buildable blush, but it's just, this is very close to my skin tone. I mean, this, like, come on. Oh, I need to swatch the gray. I live for a gray shadow personally. All right, let's put that here. Now I was done with my eyes, and I'm really gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this gray on. And the black, like, come on, the black is like giving me life. Like 20 different, there is a lot of fallout, but I don't care. I don't care. Okay, guys. So this is my IPSY Glam Bag X for February. This is, I think it's every couple months. And I was really about to cancel IPSY, but I was like, no, let me check out the IPSY X, because they've been getting real cute with the boxes lately. And I'm like, I don't like any of this stuff. So, and there was stuff in there that I didn't pick last month. And I was like, so I don't know, but I think they're getting better. And yeah, I'll definitely stick with the IPSY X. I think I get the IPSY Premium now instead of the regular IPSY. I'm gonna put this pink on as blush, this doll face. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. And then just a little bit over here. Okay, this is giving me life. It's probably too much, you know, but I'm just in my house today. We shipped some packages for GlitzGlamFam, and I shipped some giveaway prizes, and yeah. So I actually did like everything in this box, despite the choices that I had. So yeah. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Check out all my other videos that I have going on. We have Skincare Sunday, which I'm gonna do. I'll probably take this off and do Skincare Sunday. And yeah, guys, till the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.